The City of Ventura's Capital Improvement Plan serves as a roadmap for planned water and wastewater improvement projects that maintain, protect, and enhance essential services for our community. Millions of dollars are invested each year in our water and wastewater systems. Your water and wastewater rate make projects and improvements possible. Let's look at your dollars at work, which cover infrastructure repairs, replacement, and upgrades. How have water and wastewater rates improved performance and service for ratepayers? Several pipelines at the end of the Pierpont lanes has deteriorated, creating water quality issues. This project replaced and restored the pipelines, improving water circulation and system pressures. In Midtown and West Side, additional infrastructure is needed to move water to the west, improving the reliability from the city's various water sources. Thanks to innovative engineering, Ventura Water will be able to repurpose existing pipelines along Telegraph Road and Thompson Boulevard to send the needed water to the West Side area, while saving up to $7 million by reducing the need for costly new pipelines. Near Ventura High School, a booster pump station's electrical aging equipment was due for replacement and was damaged by a traffic incident. The electrical equipment was replaced and relocated to a safer area of the facility. Ventura Water replaced aging equipment for more efficient power use and reduced operations and maintenance costs. The 3-year-long meter upgrade project is approximately 80% complete, with over 24,000 new advanced meters installed throughout the city. The new meters will improve efficiency and will allow customers to view their water usage in real time and detect water leaks. Sludge digestion is an important step in the wastewater treatment process. At the Ventura Water Reclamation Facility, corroding pipes and aging equipment were causing digestion systems to malfunction at a key stage of the treatment process. Operations staff worked with the contractor to complete critical improvements to fix the issue and increase the digester's efficiency. Improvements were completed 6 months early on a 2-year schedule. At Marina Park, surveying began to identify the optimal location for a new ocean outfall, a key first step in the Ventura Water Pier project, which will create a new, locally owned water supply that will protect our community during future drought conditions. Over the next 10 years, Ventura Water will continue to invest in important system improvements. Ventura Water, in partnership with the Water Commission and financial experts, is evaluating rate changes needed to ensure continued sustainable investments in our system. The work ahead will significantly improve our area's water supply and water quality, and includes critical projects such as Ventura Water Pure and the State Water Interconnection Project. The proposed Ventura Water Pure project will recover, treat, and reuse water that's currently discharged into the Santa Clara River estuary. It will divert treated water from the wastewater facility to an advanced purification facility where the water would be treated to drinking water standards, then injected and stored in the groundwater basin to later be delivered to customers. The State Water Interconnection Project will allow Ventura to access state water it's had rights to since the 1970s but lacked the infrastructure to access. The 7-mile pipeline will help address anticipated cutbacks in existing local supply sources and will enable deliveries between regional agencies during emergencies. To learn more about specific water and wastewater investments, visit VenturaWaterRates.net, where you can find additional details about the projects and how your dollars are put to work.